Hello world, Leon here, and this is Wallet Splitter, an EVM agnostic wallet that splits crypto payments. So to visit, go to walletsplitter.com, and you have three options. You can either create a new wallet, split an existing one, and we can go to documentation. So let's go to docs first. So on a high level, what this application does is it creates a wallet with predefined parameters, and you can split the funds evenly. So in this example, Alice gets 50% and Bob gets 50%. Anyone, DAOs, VCs, and anonymous contributors can send tokens to this address. And as long as it's being sent to this address, the tokens are always split evenly between the two. So this came from a problem. You can read this later, but the idea is me and my buddy had a project, an open source project, and we wanted some donations. People wanted to send donations to us, but they didn't want to send it to two addresses. So we decided, let's send it to one, but who do we send it to, right? If we send it to me, my buddy would have to trust me to send the other half. So this is where the solution comes in. And that is to create a wallet that has a couple properties. Number one is it splits funds without trust, right? It doesn't matter if I trust this person or not, the funds are always divided evenly. It can be deployed on any EVM. So for the demo, we'll use Harmony. It splits native tokens. So for example, Harmony 1 and ERC20 tokens. So yeah, any token. And it's easy to deploy. So you don't have to be a developer. You don't have to write any smart contracts. Just click, and it should work. This project here is open sourced and decentralized. So the source code is here. And the website itself is also hosted on IPFS. So some questions. So why not send directly? Well, users, if they want to donate, would not make sense to send it to 5 different addresses. They just want to send it to one and let everything else handle itself. They don't want to pay for fees. And why not multi-sig? Well, if we decided upfront that it's split 50-50, for example, why does the other party have to authenticate on my behalf? It doesn't make sense. So that's where the wallet comes in. So for demo, let's create a new contract. So I click create, connect wallet, and I am connected to MetaMask. I'm on the Harmony wallet, and I have 3 accounts, account 1, Alice and Bob. So account 1 is going to deploy the contract or the wallet, and it's going to split the funds between Alice and Bob. So let's get Alice's address first. So I'm going to get Alice, get her address. I'm going to paste it here so I don't forget. And then I'm going to get Bob's. Bob's. Copy this address and paste it here. Okay. Let's switch back to the first account to deploy the contract. So connect again. Yep, chain ID. You can verify the chain ID. This is the Harmony chain ID on testnet, and I'm going to split the shares 50-50. You can adjust the parameters if you want. If the parameters are off and you submit, it has to add up to 100, right? So if this is 55, then this has to be 45. But let's make this 50-50. Let's get Alice's address, paste it in here, and Bob's. Click submit. So this is the contract deployment. Make sure the shares are split evenly. Hit confirm. And we'll give it a few seconds. Here is the address, and I'm going to save this somewhere secure. So wallet splitter. Okay. We can check on chain to see if it's deployed. Okay, and it's successful. So now we can go to the wallet splitter and actually split some funds. So I'm going to go to wallet splitter and make sure the information is correct. So if I go to connect, we can get some information about the splitter, and we can see if the addresses line up. So AD064 is Alice, gets 50%. 428 Bob also gets 50%. Awesome. So let's fund this contract. So I'm going to go to account 1, and I'm going to send 10. right? 10 tokens. So I'm gonna send 10 to this contract. We'll give it a few seconds, let it confirm. Great. Now that it's confirmed, I can switch over to Alice. So now I'm Alice now. I can connect. Copy the splitter, make sure it's here. This is the correct one. Yep, that's me. And down here, I can say native tokens. Amount to claim is 5. So if I hit 5, claim. Keep in mind, my balance right now is, let's get my balance right now. My balance right now is 1. Right? So if I hit claim, I should get 6. So let's give it a go. Here's the transaction ID. I can also get it here. Well, now you see, now I have around 6. Now if I go to Bob's account, he has 1, so he can also do the same process and get the 5. So I go here, connect. He can claim 5. Besides native tokens, you can also connect to ERC20 tokens. So you'd have to check the block explorer to see what tokens are funded in that splitter. Paste in the address here to see if there are funds in there, and then you can also split that as well. So that's Wallet Splitter in a nutshell. Thank you.